Hello guys, this is Aries, and I am back today with another taste test video. As you saw in my community post, we are doing a Kit Kat. This is chocolate frosted donut. So I'm going to show you the Kit Kat bar that we are going to be trying. That is within this package. So here you go. You got kind of like a donut looking bar. Let's try it. This Kit Kat bar is actually really good. It's like if you had a vanilla and chocolate donut, and like you're mixing those two flavors together. That is basically what you're tasting. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, as later today there will be a Prime taste test video and a all-in live stream. I'll make sure my camera's charged. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you go smash that like button, smash subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video!